Right, I'm your driver for the day, so get your seatbelts on and dinna make a ride up the west bus.
Aye, Lucy, far you gone for your break a day? Fit I boot the lighthouse for a bag of naddies. Naddies? Oh aye, you mean apple chips? Hinna heard the word for a filey, that's a real Banff word. Do you ken if Declan passed his driving test? Nah, didn't get it. Says it wasna fair. The examiner was off a crabbit can. Nae luck. Och well. Hate to cardjal if for somebody else.
Jings, I had to look it over my biology for a day's test, Sesh 3. Only chance for a hand. Mr. Watson will kill me if I fail.
Aye, see you in the canteen for dinner. I'll give you a hand after I get a fancy piece.
Fitz said he would get his hair. Aye, I ken, but I kinna think blue suits her. That's 3 colours issue already. We don't her.
Aye, there's a wheen a chat about the Doric Dean, but it could be that the bairns are screeving more Doric than ever afore. What do you think about that on their phones? Certainly I get their phones on in the classes, eh?
That's true enough, that. Aye, they're right on their phones, but Ken, there's a darker side to all this text messaging than that.
What's that then?
Cyberbullying.
Oh, aye. Oh, aye, if I'd like, Missy. Who you there?
No bad, I'm also looking forward for my guitar practice.
Well, maybe you could give us a concert later, eh?
Maybe I'll think about it.
Very good. See you later.
See ya.
Cheers now.
Oh, like McLean. You alright, McLean? You okay? No? Okay. You want to tell me if it's all good? No? Okay. Did you want to speak to your guidance teacher about it? Well, come on, Ben. Come on.
Now, Missy, if it's been happening the day, tell me about it.
Hey, look yourself.
That's not good enough. Do you care if that is?
No.
Right, well, we'll hit you something about it and quickly, yeah?
I've fair gotten myself into a fangle of troubles this time. I've been held in by the dominies and given a right roasting. Here we ging again, same old thing. But you ken, they've really made me think. I've been right course, then I realise fit I've put the quine through. I canna undo fit I've done, but I can change my ways frae now on. I'm going to do fit I can to make it up. Hello to you, Missy. I came with my friends, but that's no excuse for me being mean. I'm heartfelt sorry for the harm that I've done, and I hope you'll forgive what I wrote on the screen. I've got my own problems, and now I can see if I dinna put off, I can set us both free. Friends.
Dinna put off.